How to fix Facebook session expired error on your mobile device. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to provide you through some fixes to fix that error issue. So let's just dive right in and get started. First of all, open up your Facebook application and then we can log out and log back in. You can try out the solution first. So for that, look out for the menu option in the very top and then scroll down and find the logout option at the very last. Tap on it, confirm it up, and log in back into your account and see if that works. Apart from that, what you can do is you can clear the app's cache and data. So for that, you need to head over to Facebook and hold it up and go to their info. And then once you go to their info, you can just go over and scroll down and find the option for storage and tap on it. And look out for the clear cache option in the bottom right corner. And if not that, you can even restart your phone. Hold the power button for that, look out for the restart option. And after that, you can try opening the Facebook application again and try logging back into Facebook. Also check your internet. You can look out for your Wi-Fi at the top and try switching it with your mobile data to ensure that you have a stable connection. You can check it out as well. And also update the application. So go to Play Store for that. And within Play Store, go to the search. And from there, you can just go over and type in Facebook. And look out for Facebook application. If there is any kind of update available, you can download the latest version of the Facebook and try accessing the application again. And if that does not work, you can install the Facebook app. You can look out for the install option and then reinstall it from the App Store itself. And that should also probably work out for you. Sometimes the server may be down. You can try seeing that as well. But usually those are the fixes you can try out to fix that error expired on your mobile device. So we hope this video was helpful. Do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.